CBSE Results 2024 Board issues warning against fake news. NTA imposes 3-year ban on 39 students for unfair means in JEE Main 2024. Delhi Education Department issues heatwave guidelines for schools. Details here. Change in school timings in Srinagar. Check details inside. "5,000 Delhi University students set to take part in 2.4-kilometer Viksit Bharat Run on 8th May. Good afternoon, warm welcome. You are watching the Education News Network, where you get the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Shilpa reporting from the Education News Network. Today's stories are: the Central Board of Secondary Education has issued a clarification regarding a fake notice doing the rounds on social media regarding the announcement of the CBSE 10th results. According to the notification in questions, the CBSE Board 10th results were to be announced today, 1st May 2024. Candidates must however note that the CBSE has provided a clarification and mentioned that the notification is fake. CBSE is expected to announce the Class 10 and Class 12 results in the first week of May 2024. A confirmation regarding the CBSE result 2024 date and time is yet to be made by board officials. The Central Board of Secondary Education is expected to announce the CBSE 10 and 12 results soon. According to media reports, the board will be announcing the CBSE 10 and 12 results in the first week of May 2024. Candidates who have appeared for the exams can check their results on the official website cbse.gov.in. The National Testing Agency, NTA, has issued a notice announcing that strict measures, including a 3-year debarment, have been taken against 39 candidates for engaging in unfair practices, UFM. Following the direction of the court, a candidate cannot get to scorecards on different application numbers for the same examination in a year. Thus, for those candidates who appeared more than once with different application numbers, his/her best scores have been declared in the scorecard, the official notice released by NTA read. As per NTA regulations, candidates possessing multiple application numbers and consequently multiple scorecards will be considered as engaging in unfair means, UFM, regardless of when this is discovered. Stringent actions will be taken against such candidates. The results for the Joint Entrance Examination, JEE, Main 2024 Session 2 Paper 2 are expected to be announced by the National Testing Agency official website, jman.nata.ac.in. Amid rising temperatures, the Delhi government's Directorate of Education, DO, has taken proactive measures to ensure the safety and well-being of students and staff in schools. With strict instructions issued to both government and private institutions, a comprehensive set of guidelines has been put forth to combat the challenges posed by the impending heat wave. These directives, totaling 9, encompass various aspects aimed at maintaining a conducive environment for learning while safeguarding against the adverse effects of extreme heat. Schools are mandated to prominently display posters educating students on preventative measures against heat-related illnesses. During the scorching afternoon hours, schools are instructed to suspend assemblies, minimizing students' exposure to the intense heat. Outdoor classes are to be halted to shield students from direct sunlight and oppressive heat. The Directorate of School Education Kashmir, in an order, said that the schools will open half an hour earlier than the prevalent timings. Consequent upon the approval conveyed by the competent authority, all government and private recognized schools within the municipal limits of Srinagar city shall observe school timings from 8:30 am to 2:30 pm with immediate effect from 6th May 2024, the order said. Earlier, the classwork in government as well as private schools of Srinagar was from 9 am to 3 pm. The weather has considerably improved across the valley with day temperatures hovering above 23 degrees Celsius in Srinagar. About 5,000 students of Delhi University will participate in a 2.4-kilometer run for Viksit Bharat on 8th May, Wednesday, as part of the campaign to transform India into a developed country by 2047, the university said in a statement on Thursday. DO Vice-Chancellor Yogesh Singh will be the chief guest for the event, the statement said. Students from various DO colleges will participate in this marathon organized under the collective aegis of DO and the Vikas Bharat Ambassador Club, the statement said. A meeting to outline the preparations for the event was held under the chairmanship of DO Registrar Vikas Gupta. The meeting was attended by nodal officers and sports teachers from various colleges, including NCC and NSS officers, who discussed the modalities of the event. Gupta said the run will be flagged off from gate number 1 of the university at 7 a.m. on 8th May and will conclude at the sports complex of the university at gate number 4. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.educationnewsnetwork. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.